Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, I bring another amazing website for you in which you can get 6000 trons as sign up bonus. So first of all you have to sign up the website and then I will teach you how you can do mining and how you can do trade in this website. सबसे पहले आपने इसको लॉगिन कर लेना है. लॉगिन करने के बाद जो है आपको इसका जो डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर लिंक मौजूद है, आपने लिंक देख लेना है और आपने लॉगिन कर लेना. मेरा चूँकि ऑलरेडी लॉगिन बना हुआ है तो आपने इसको बस ऐसे चेक करना है. मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि आपने कैसे इसको लॉगिन करना है. सक्सेसफुल साइन अप एंड देन आफ्टर लॉगिन यू विल सी द इंटरफेस लाइक दिस. जब आपका अकाउंट साइन अप हो जाएगा और आप इसको लॉगिन कर लेंगे, आप इस तरह देखेंगे वेलकम टू tron789.com. ये इस इंट्रोडक्शन इस कंपनी का. दिस कंपनी वाज इस्टेब्लिश्ड इन 2014 इन सिंगापुर एंड यू नो द सिंगापुर इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट hub business hub of the world, and you can see that this group has their own telegram link and they have telegram groups for in which you can do business consultations. तो भाई आपने ये इन्फॉर्मेशन देख ली, उसके बाद हम चलते हैं उसकी तरफ. You can see that we have got 6000 trons as sign up bonus. This is one of the biggest sign up bonus ever offered by any website. So don't delay, just sign up and deposit in this amazing website and start earning without doing any work. You just go and sleep and start working on this website, and after every 24 hours you will get the withdraw. This is the important and one of the best thing about this website. So you have to go sign up tron789.com and then let me show you which options are there in this website. You can see that in this website you can recharge your account. आप अपने अकाउंट को रिचार्ज कर सकते हैं and then you can withdraw. First of all there is a recharge option and then withdraw option. That is very easy steps. I will show how you can withdraw. Then you can make your own team by referring them your referral code, and then you can do partnership with partners and you can get free points, daily gifts, you can play games and much more. So let me show you what other options are there. You can exchange interest. You have your own wallet, you can deposit into your wallet. And then हम जब नीचे आते हैं, we see that the daily trade report, data, market trends, market performance of this website. You can see that if we go back 2 or 3 weeks before, you can see that from 21 until now, I mean it is almost 1 month. You can see the progress of 1 month, and then cumulative data is shown in front of you, and there are 31,213 active users on this website. You can imagine. And what mean by active user? Active user are the users which actually deposited money in this website and then they are earning profit from this website. So this is all the data, all the numbers, all people जो इसके ऊपर मौजूद हैं. Then you go to trade option. The best thing about this website is you can start with a 5% profit and you can start 5% cloud mining. That is very much important. And let's go to investment. They are still in the phase of coming. And okay, let's see what other options are there in this website. You can contact the administrators, the admins of the website. You can make your own team. Let me show you in the box form. So one by one you will get to know. You can contact to them after, deposit. First thing is deposit. You can deposit 5 TRX to activate your account. Minimum deposit is 5 TRX, and not only deposit, after 24 hours you can withdraw as well. So nothing to worry about. After that you can build your own team by referring your code. I will show how you can share your code with your friends. If you have any problem, you can create ticket and contact to the owners, admins, and then you can find your own transaction records, how much you top up and how much you earn. And then there are news about this website, and then balance conversion, and much more. So let me tell you how you can share with your friends about this website. Okay, go to share, copy the link copied, and then you can share this link with your friends. After this, now let me tell you how you can activate your account. Go to recharge. Okay, there are two basic accounts. There are two accounts. One is basic account and another is investment account. Usually the basic account is used in many cases, because in this basic account you can withdraw within 24 hours, and then just you have to use with this account if you have referral, and then the people are with you, and then they want to invest the money, and then they want to invest in this account, in this website. You can choose to invest account, but for now we have basic account. The biggest and amazing thing about the basic account is you can take withdraw within 24 hours. So let's start by recharging basic account. Select basic account and then copy this account for the deposit. Actually we are depositing money into this account. Go to Trust Wallet or any other wallet, Binance or OKX or any other. So just deposit. I have some trons in my account, so let me select this account, and then I send this $20 to that address copied here, and it write down here 20 trons, sorry, not dollars, 20 trons, and then 20 trons, and then continue to the website, continue to pay. Okay, let me confirm from here. If I confirm from here, then the money will directly go to tron289.com, my account. So let me confirm. I have confirmed $20 from my wallet. You can see that amount already detected from my account. It will be detected in few moments. See, detected, yes. So let's go to the website tron789.com. Here click on the recharge complete, because it will take maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. So you don't need to pay twice. Just be careful, pay once if you want to recharge. So I have paid already. Now let me do this option. Let me show you this option, recharge complete. Click on recharge complete, action submitted. So before this our balance was 6,000 trons. So let me refresh this page, this website home page. Still the payment is not updated. Once payment is updated, then I will show how you can withdraw. So just wait for a few minutes. Here you can see that amount is already deposited into my tron789.com account. So the trons already deposited, and then after that, if you start working, so I am just giving you a demo, so you can start mining with 5% daily. So now the question is how you can withdraw. Let me tell you how can you withdraw. So just go to withdraw, and then put your withdrawal link. Let me copy my withdrawal link, receive, and then I have copied this link, and then put it here, withdrawal address, and then limit, let me put 1. Daily withdrawal limit is $1. So I have entered 1. 11700. So verification code is not working. Very 510 verification code is, I don't know what, 7049. Now my withdrawal is successful. So I have withdrawn. So I have shown you the proof of withdrawal. You see 6020 trons before there, and then after that it will be 6019. Let me check my wallet. I have a small wallet, sometime I use for making promotional videos. Before that it was 4.6. After a few minutes, yes, you can see there $1, 1 tron is deposited into my account. I have withdrawn one tron. So this was the proof of withdrawal. So guys, now what you have to do, you just go sign up this account, recharge. After sign up you will get 6000 trons, and then recharge your account and send your referral to your friends and ask them to deposit minimum 5 to activate, and maximum whatever the investment you want to put in this website, you will get benefit. And if you have any queries, you can contact me through my telegram link is given in the description, and all information about the legality of this website, the white paper about this website and which this company is already given. There are so many information provided about this website, this company. If you have any queries, please do contact me. Thank you so much for watching.